Are you a YouTube creator navigating the complex world of AI tools while striving for YouTube Partner Program compliance and monetization in 2025? This video is your essential guide to understanding the new landscape of AI content and how to ensure your channel thrives. We'll cover everything from YPP eligibility requirements to crucial AI content disclosure mandates. Non-disclosure risks demonetization, limited ads, or even channel penalties, with YouTube removing 1.2 million videos in Q1 2024 alone for policy violations. AI-specific rules prohibit spam, require original added value beyond automation, and exclude fully AI-narrated videos from YPP watch hours if undisclosed. Chapter 2: YPP and AI Rules. The core pillars for success are authenticity, transparency, and quality. YouTube's March 2024 policy update mandates labels for AI depicting realistic people or events, expanding by late 2024 to include music and voice synthesis. Predictions for 2025 include stricter algorithm demotion for unlabeled AI content, as hinted by Creator Insider, and potential RPM drops for AI spam. Currently, AI channels can see 20 to 50% lower RPMs compared to the average $3 to $20 per thousand views. It's crucial to avoid enumerated violations like repetitive AI scripts. Chapter 3: The Pillars of Ethical AI Use. First, disclose all AI use by labeling 100% of applicable content. Second, add human creativity. Use AI for editing or B-roll, but ensure personal scripting and human shot B-roll. Third, optimize for the algorithm, aiming for watch time above 50% and a click-through rate between 5 to 10%. Fourth, diversify your revenue streams with super thanks and memberships once you're in the YPP. A 2024 TubeBuddy survey found that 70% of top creators ethically use AI tools. Chapter 4: Your step-by-step guide to YPP success with AI. First, audit your channel using YouTube Analytics to track watch time drop-offs. Second, use AI ethically. Tools like Remaker AI can assist with thumbnails and effects, but always disclose their use. Third, build your subscriber base through collaborations and shorts funnels, where one short can generate 10 to 50 long-form views. Fourth, hit YPP thresholds by consistently posting 3 to 5 videos per week, each 8 to 15 minutes in length. Fifth, apply for the YouTube Partner Program via YouTube Studio. Approval typically takes 1 to 4 weeks. Utilize tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ for SEO optimization to maximize your reach. Chapter 5: Maximizing your monetization post-YPP. Once approved, you'll receive a 55% ad revenue share, with a baseline RPM of 1 cent to 3 cents per view. For 2025, expect expansions like the Shorts Fund transitioning to revenue sharing, especially with over 1 billion Shorts daily views. Also, mid-roll ads will become mandatory for videos longer than 8 minutes. A key AI tip: hybrid content, combining AI visuals with a human voice, averages a 15% higher RPM. Don't forget affiliate opportunities, like embedding Remaker AI links with bold bottom center prompts. Chapter 6: Future-proofing your channel. Anticipate 2025 trends like AI agents for auto-editing, such as YouTube Dream Screen Beta, expected by November 2024. The algorithm will increasingly favor meaningful engagement, like comments over simple likes, and the push for vertical video continues with 70% of views on mobile. Be aware of risks like EU AI Act compliance, which may require high-risk AI labeling by 2025. Strategies include building email lists, aiming for a 10% subscriber-to-email conversion, and multi-platform presence like TikTok cross-posting. While AI content views are up 400% year over year, 25% of it is demonetized without proper labels. Chapter 7: Your Call to Action. Don't wait. Apply the YPP checklist today and secure your channel's future.